Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram messages not sending or receiving on iPhone and Android. So let's get started. So first of all, open settings app on your iPhone. On the settings menu, scroll down to see the general and tap on it. Here, scroll down again and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. After that, click on reset, then click on reset all settings. This will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. Click on reset all settings to confirm that you want to reset your iPhone all settings. So friends, after resetting the all settings, verify that your Instagram application is up to date. To check that, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. On the App Store, click on search bar and here you have to search the Instagram application. Now application will appear on your screen. Click on the Instagram at the top of the page. Here you can see the update is showing. The latest update is showing now. Click on the update button to install the latest version of Instagram application. So guys, if this method also doesn't work on your iPhone, then delete and reinstall the application. For that, go to settings menu on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down to see the general and tap on it. Here you have to click on the iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage menu, wait for a few seconds, then scroll down and click on the Instagram app. Here you have to click on the offload app. After clicking the offload app, wait for a few seconds, then go to App Store and reinstall your Instagram application.